Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin booming. Broke out of this ascending triangle, which is now potentially this rising wedge. You might get some consolidation right here, continuation higher. If there is a pullback, Coinbase IPO is today. If there's some market shakeup, a pullback to support and a bounce, that would give a lot of bullish continuation. There's a couple of ideas that are going to play out. Maybe we see some volatility today because of the Coinbase IPO. Some people think it's overvalued. Some people think it's undervalued. A lot of people think that the market's going to change and there's going to be more exchanges and Coinbase is going to have to lower their fees and their profits are going to be a lot lower because they're going to have to compete. So let's see how that affects the market. Real quick reminder, I'm about to give away $500 in Bitcoin in this video. $500 in Bitcoin today. To enter next week's Bitcoin giveaway, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Right now, more than half the people that watch this channel aren't even subscribed. Hit that subscribe button so you don't like the videos. Comment below. Leave a comment because I'm going to pick a random comment over a 7-day period. So this is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart like we talked about. I'm looking for 68,600 measured move, potentially higher after that. You see you got this huge wick, like just to because everybody's long again. Everybody's long. So what happens? The market resets. Make sure all the over leveraged longs get completely wrecked, stopped out here. Okay, potentially that was some bearish divergence playing out, but just keep an eye on Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person hit me up. I've brainwashed myself watching the training videos, and I'm finally in the 6-figure club. I made mistakes before in my life, but now I am financially stable. Epic. Dude, I've got epic videos that will teach you how to trade. These are all brand new traders. They've never traded before. Never traded before. This young lady, she said, I'm quarantined, got the, panic situation going on at the house, and I'm sitting here. I've made $40,000 in 2 days. Thanks for teaching me how to trade. I mean, who couldn't use 40 G's? This person, I've been pulling money out of Binance for the past couple months. It finally clicked. I couldn't have done it without you. But now I have zero debt. Life-changing money. Pay off all your debts. And he's a month ahead on his bills, and he's going to buy a new car. Like this gentleman was stressed when he joined the group. And now, no debt. I could help you learn to trade this market. I mean, we're looking at this altcoin season's about to take off and 3x, 5x gains. Every altcoin 4x this last DeFi altcoin season. I'll show you an example of that. But the bottom line, if you do not want to look back on this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. You have to take advantage of this. This is it. I can make sure you're in the best and most profitable coins for the entire bull market. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Huge. This is Coin. Coin. We loaded back up on this one previously down here. Right, Coin up 975%. That's what does your portfolio look like if it 10x's, right? Coin likes to pump with Doge too, so looks like it's been pumping. Doge, YouTube. I gave this to you guys yesterday. Doge up 80%. I actually posted in the trading group 3 days ago. Doge up 80%. IOST NFT news came out. And essentially, I gave this to you guys as well. By the break of the triangle, 39% profits. So this list is the M1 money supply. Bitcoin is now number 10, ahead of Canada, Australia, South Korea, Switzerland, Netherlands, India, Sweden, Russia, Hong Kong, Saudi Arabia. Huge. Bitcoin doing things. Time Magazine comes out. They're going to reportedly hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet after entering a partnership with Grayscale on a new video series about crypto and agreeing to be paid in Bitcoin. Also, GBTC picked up, they loaded up on a lot of Mana, and they loaded up on a lot of Litecoin, as well as basic attention token, right? So just understand those ideas. Cosmos. Okay, so Atom, and I got to set up for this in a second. And, you know, if you want to midterm hold some coins, potentially this is one you look at. They've got interchain staking. They got staking coming. This is not till December. All right, they got staking derivatives, not till September, but they've got some news for the year. What people are excited about is the Gravity Bridge in June, which is essentially is going to bridge the Cosmos hub with ERC20 assets. It's going to bring them from Ethereum into Cosmos, into Atom, right? Also, smart contracts are coming. Smart contract platform Q2. 100% gains out of Atom over time. I'll go over this setup in just a second. One thing about midterm holding is you want to move your stop loss to break even after you're in considerable profits. So that worst case scenario, you get stopped out, you break even, right? This is the last DeFi season. This is epic. This is very important. Pay attention. All right, so we nailed it, right? And I said, hey, if DeFi Perp, so DeFi Perp, this is a basket of coins. Kyber Network, Maker, ZRX, Ren, Rep, SNX, Comp, Tomo, Rune, CRV, Dot, Link, Solana, Cream, Band, SRM, Sushi, AVAX, YFI, Uni, Aave, Balancer, etc. Okay, 25 coins. Right, so this is a good gauge of what DeFi is doing. All right, and I said, hey, can DeFi Perp break out here? I made videos on these exact topics. Can DeFi Perp break out here? If DeFi Perp breaks above this level, grab some DeFi altcoins. DeFi altcoins, on average, 400% gains over this DeFi altcoin season. We nailed it. Now, where are we going with this, Chris? This is a chart that I posted on March the 20th, and I said, hey, this is DeFi Perp again. If DeFi Perp breaks out above this, you know, we're looking for another move higher out of DeFi coins. Well, guess what? Guess what happened? Anyone? Yes, boom. Broke out, retested. Now it's broke the all-time high. It's broke this all-time high. Here it is, price action, right? So what I'm suggesting is we could see a surge in DeFi coins, and we have, really, if you think about it. DeFi coins have been picking up more than they have in the past. Keep an eye on DeFi projects. Shout out to you guys. Success is not about greatness, always. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. I want to thank you guys for 100,000 subscribers. I think I missed about 7 days in 3 years, and I think half of those days I was potentially in the hospital. So my point is, you guys keep coming back. You guys keep watching the videos. You keep hitting that like button, subscribing, and I'll be here for you. All right, we'll keep you updated. Cryptocurrency is my passion. Seeing you guys succeed is a bigger passion than I've ever had in my life, right? This is the biggest passion I've ever imagined. Like, just the feedback I get from you guys drives me to grind harder and work longer, right? And so I just want to thank you guys. 100K, let's go. 200K, next stop, moon mission. Bitcoin dominance is important. I mean, we've had every time Bitcoin, if this reverses, it's Bitcoin season. So I mean, altcoins want this to continue lower. So essentially what this means is Bitcoin dominance is at 55%. That means of the total market cap of crypto, if you take every crypto, including Bitcoin, added together, Bitcoin makes up 55% of the total valuation. Okay, so as this drops, it means money's flowing into altcoins. If this breaks to the downside, you get this parabolic drop. These altcoins are going to take off. If this thing tries to reverse, then essentially altcoins slow down. So we're going to keep an eye on this idea. Atom, so here's the chart. You've got this parabolic move, right? Broke out of a triangle. I mean, you could buy the breakout right here and start your midterm hold here, right? I mean, potentially, it's if you draw the triangle here, right? Just kind of depends on what time frame you're looking at. But I mean, that could be the retest. The main thing is if Bitcoin pulls back, obviously this will too, right? These altcoin setups are amazing, but Bitcoin throws a wrench in them all the time. So just keep them on. There's news in June. The way these altcoin seasons have been working in the past, anyway, last year, right? The altcoins really peak around June, and so that's you're got this 2-month build up to this epic. It just gets crazy how much money we're about to make. This is EGLD, and I want to talk. So I gave you guys this setup, and then it broke out and it retested. Now I want you to buy the breakout at this level, right? Consider buying here, which would be the previous, all-time high. EGLD. The important thing is you get these parabolic run-ups, and then you get this kind of cup or rounded bottom type forming, right? And so I want you to learn this pattern idea because there's a ton of money that can be made. Because what happens is this thing will run up here and then happen again, right? And it'll happen again, right? That's why it's common, right, to see that. Okay, so just understand that there's some upside for EGLD, but if you don't sell this absolute top, just think about this. What goes into this mentally? If you don't take profits here, then potentially it took you from February 10th to April 10th just to get back to this point. So if you do get in the habit of taking some profits here and then buying back lower, and so I want to show you how to figure out when to buy back in. And it's based on the CHZ chart, which is potentially going to do the same thing, right? Notice the same parabolic run up. This is an NFT project. What I like to do is I like to start buying when the price action breaks and holds the yellow 200 simple on the 4-hour time frame. So it's already on the 1-hour time frame, it's already broke, and we want to see if it holds it, right? It all starts here, potentially, right? You want to see a break above the other moving averages. But what I use, 4-hour time frame, so that gives you the idea, because this is accumulation, reaccumulation, right? If you were to accumulate now, if you were to enter now, you've got this upside right here, right? And so, whether or not you took profits over here or not, this is where the move really begins. Because if you think, I'm looking for, it's going to be buy the breakout of this level, then you're going to get a breakout, you'll get here, and then you'll come back down and do the same thing, right? And so, but if you buy here, all of a sudden, you're not just worried about these gains, you're getting all these gains, right? Now, basic attention token is a good example of this. Look, it's like a textbook, picture perfect. Rounded bottom, pumps, reaccumulates. Rounded bottom, pumps, reaccumulates, right? Rounded bottom, reaccumulation, pumps. Rounded bottom, reaccumulation, pumps. Rounded bottom, reaccumulation, pumps. Here it is. Guess what's about to happen here? Something like this, potentially, right? So pay attention to BAT based on this idea. But these patterns, like there's quite a few patterns. But once you see something that continues and repeats, these repeatable patterns are pretty easy to trade. FLM, this one has a ton of upside. This one did nothing for an extended period of time. Nothing. This is accumulation. It started taking off. So if this is base 1 in a parabolic price rise, like this thing could see, a dollar based on just these targets alone, $1.30, $1.40, $1.50, $1.70. This could be a $3 or $4 coin through the altcoin season. So FLM, one to watch. This is Dodo. So I'm like, dude, I can pump this thing. I love these triangles because they have an apex. That, hey, this is about to break out. So I love to share these with you guys, right? Because it's about to happen, right? Because you get this breakout and this previous resistance becomes support. And then you got this bullish pennant, right? I buy these sometimes before they even break out if the market's super bullish. Bitcoin dumps, it'll wreck you, but you put it stop loss down here. The point is this, I'm super excited about this. I posted on Twitter. I'm like, everybody check this out. Buy the bull pennant breakout. Here it is. Boom. 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 Check me out on Twitter, cryptobitcoinchris. Sometimes it's so much easier. I can post things real quick. YouTube videos are a 4-hour process, right? So link is ready. So this is price discovery. This is the all-time high, previous all-time high of link. That means there's no resistance up here. Slow it down. These are Fibonacci extension levels, right? So people use these. But what you look for is if there's a Bitcoin pullback, right? It's always great and smart to buy a retest. What I want you to look for is, I mean, potentially it's happening now. You got a retest at this level, right? Which would be here, a retest of all-time high. You know, you could see continuation higher here, or you could see a pullback to this level if Bitcoin pulls back. And then this was the original triangle that I posted this for you guys. We bought the breakout here, right? And then I post these new entry ideas all the time in groups so that, you know, people join the group all the time, you know, and so that they can get into these setups. So you have to find entry, and this is how I do it, right? So now the idea is, you know, if you didn't get in at $30 and, you know, up 20% right here, potentially to find entry, you're looking for a pullback and then a continuation higher. Link's one of those coins where it hasn't done anything in an extended period of time because, dude, it's had this freaking epic run up over time. I mean, we were buying this thing at $2.50 not too long ago in the group, right? So tons of upside potential for Link over this altcoin season. Okay, real quick, here's the videos. We'll go with this one, and then we'll go down to this person right here. Balm Roberts. Every day I wait the content. Thanks. Listen, Balm, I want you to leave your email address as a comment in this comment right here on this video, okay? I'll get you the Bitcoin sent later on today. Congratulations, $500 in Bitcoin. That's about to double or triple. Let's go. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.